What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to completely uninstall Discord on your Windows 11. So first and foremost step, just go over here, search for the task manager, and you have to click on the task manager. And right now expand this up, and if you find the Discord is running in the background, all you have to do is or select the Discord if it's running, right click on this one and go for end the task and remove the Discord from the background. Once afterward, just close this. And what we need to do is just go over here, search for the settings, click on this one and directly navigate to the apps. Now from here what we need to do is just go to the apps, go for installed apps. Right now from here we need to search for Discord. Search for the Discord, right click on this one, and over here we have an option called uninstall. Just uninstall your Discord. Once the Discord is uninstalled, we have to close everything. Then we need to go back over here in the Google Chrome. Now from here in the Google Chrome, we have to open the Google Chrome, and over here you have to search for Discord and go for download, and you have to go to this particular page, click on this one, and you have to download the Discord, and that's all you have to try. So this is how you can uninstall the Discord. Most probably apart from this, there is also one more step. Just go over here, search for the run command, and you have to click on this one. Now type %, not local app data %. Go over here, %app data % and press enter. And right now there is one mistake. Just type % local app data %. Just type local, then press enter. And right now just click on the %app data. And right now when you click on this one, you can see there is a folder named Discord. Right click on this one and go for the trash icon and delete the folder. That's what you have to try. And afterwards, most probably try install the .exe of the Discord which we downloaded from the Google Chrome, and you have to check. That's what you have to try. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.